Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman. Today, guys, I'm here again, right at my little cottage right here in Africa, in Lusaka, that is. So, guys, it's a beautiful morning. The sun is rising. You can see how beautiful it looks from that side. Take a look. So, from this side, you can see that's our beautiful plot going down that way, you see. Yeah, and then today we are going to actually continue building our little kitchen. So yeah, if you watched my previous videos after that was done, there is yet another one. Yeah, so come, let me show you what I've done so far. mm. There we go. See this side, we just try to put the parts. This one. On this side, we've done this part. I want to put even on this other side, so that way the tray when it comes, the sink, it will just be going down there. So done this part again, but here we have to do this part today. We have to do this part and do some finishing right here. Okay, this part was already done as well. This is for the stove, so we're not going to do anything on this one. Yeah, so this is how it is. Today we're starting our day from here today. That is it. Let's let the work begin. Also bought another cement, bag of cement here, which is called super something. It dries up like quick. Okay, so yeah, let's start from here today, guys, and I'll show you as we progress. Okay, and remember to like the video, subscribe, share if you can. Really love to see you guys like commenting as well, so you can comment your thoughts. Yeah, that is it. Let's go. All right, guys, so take a look. So just we're doing the curing. So I've been pouring water here, yes, and yeah, I think now they're strong enough. So yeah, take a look. Here, of course, some measurements were not that much great. There's a bit of a space that was left there, but it can be sorted out along the way, But this is what we've done. This is what I have done so far. This little kitchen of mine. Yeah, you can see. Okay. Yeah, this space, I think it's big for the stove, but yeah, it is what it is. We're going to be putting our stove here. Okay, and there's two shelves there, so I think that should be enough for us not to build like another part on this side. But as we go along, when money allows, I can actually build something on this side. But of course we're going to put shelves like on top there. Yeah, so this is how far we've gone, guys. This is how far we have gone. This is how far I have gone in building this. For the first time, building, like holding, block. For the first time I'm doing it myself. This is what I've done. Okay. Alright, I'll keep updating you guys on what's going to follow here, because I need to level it up nicely again before even the tiles come. Maybe next week or the other week, if I get tiles, I can come and put them here. So because this kitchen is going to be white, so this part, like the shelves here, are actually going to be black. Black is the color that is going to contrast with the white. So we're gonna put a white towel here, a black towel here, black, even in there, black, on this side, black, and yeah. Down here we're gonna put white tiles, of course, but they will have that black line under there. Even on the other side there'll be a black line, black line going even on this other side. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're doing here. I'll keep you posted, guys. Yes, guys.
All right, so yes guys, we're still working. I don't know what's next now. Is basically to put the towers. I'm trying to see which one is that marble stone thing, or maybe just towers like the normal towers. But there's a way I've seen like other people do it. They do it actually very well. They put them very nicely just on top. Okay, it's windy today. Very windy, guys. Yeah, so I've seen like a number of people use towels, so that's what I'm thinking. Maybe I'm actually going to use, yeah. But you guys, let me know in the comment section what would be an ideal way of finishing up that particular kitchen that we're building here. Let me know in the comment section if you can use is it a granite stone or is it a marble stone or something? I don't know what they call that. Yeah, but this is where I am. This is home, my little cottage right here, and that kitchen is what I'm building. And I would really want to hear from you guys. Yeah, just to make sure that we have a good can I say a good looking kitchen, a good some good final work, just polish it up, look nice. I don't know if it's towels. I don't know which one should I go for. That's my question. Which one should I go for? Yeah, but it is what it is. And also, guys, I'm thinking of, because my little cottage over here, it's a 1-bedroom cottage. It has the sitting room and that same kitchen that we are working on, self-contained. But I intend to extend it to this side with the 1-bedroom. So this window should come to the bedroom side on this other side. Let's say there are 2 windows for the sitting room, but then there's this part here, and I intend to extend like this particular house. So here we're gonna put it to be another bedroom here. Another bedroom. You see here there's this septic tank, but it can end somewhere here all the way. A 4x4 bedroom, and we also put on the other side, it should be self-contained, of course. So on the other side there we put the bathroom, so this will be like a master bedroom. I don't know, yeah, that's what you guys call it, the main bedroom. Anyway, so that's what I'll see, when finances allow, we can extend. I can simply extend it to that. Yeah, otherwise this is a little home which I built with the help of some of you, my subscribers on YouTube here. Yes, some of you contributed massively, guys. Here we're even building now the wall fence. We've started doing the wall fence. Yeah, so that's a little cottage that we are working on, whose kitchen we are still working on. Yes, guys, so let me know in the comments what should we do. I actually showed you this, guys, how big the plot size is. Later on, I was thinking in terms of, now I'm going back to this one, in terms of extending it, because the whole idea was to build a house which I can use to kind of escape the issue of paying rentals, like in the neighborhoods here in Lusaka. Rentals are super high these days, so I thought I needed to get a small plot and build a small house for start, while we are still trying to find our footsteps on YouTube. And because YouTube, like in Zambia, doesn't pay. That's one thing you should know. But if it wasn't for some people that have been watching my videos, I was not going to even do this. I remember the first time I actually started building, the first time I made up my mind to say, let me start building, I only had a 47,000 kwacha. But I said, I'm going to build a small house. In my mind, without having done a lot of research, I was like, hey, I think 100,000 kwacha would be enough for me to build a small house. Guys, it's not. Like, it's not enough. So I had a 47, so I was like, okay, I'm going to start from here. And then as time goes by, we'll find more money and then we're going to finish. But thank God, that 47 was just for a number of blocks, and some labor just to finish up, some material. Here this is sand, the building sand. We also had quarry. Yeah, that was all. So we couldn't even build within that 47. So some of you people came through, and we managed to build, and here we are. So what is remaining here in this house is just the ceiling board, just putting a ceiling and putting some towels on the floor. Then that is it. A bit of electrical issues, but it's not that much. It's something that can be sorted. But yeah, so guys, if you're out there and you really want to support me in any way, just for me to polish this house up, or the kitchen itself, I would really appreciate if you can get in touch with me. The number is always on my videos. So yeah, you can come through, and I would really appreciate. So because on this other side, now the reason why I built this was because of what I explained, to escape like the renting part, like rentals, and also the plot which I had bought was very small. It was coming from that orphans to somewhere here where there's this septic tank, right here where there's that tree, but now here. So it used to come through here and going down there. So it was a 15 meters by 20. That was the first plot. But of course, like I said, bought 20 by 20 on this side, and later on we had to buy land on the other side. So we extended it. It's now a 43 by 38. That's a little plot that we are sitting on here in our village in Zambia, in Lusaka, in an area called Kabangwe West, guys. Kabangwe West. Okay, so I think I'm going to end my video from here today. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. Please continue supporting me. I'm your Zambian content creator. I do travel videos, farming videos, and also lifestyle, like vlogging, and also looking at real estate, building, finding land for people, and all these things. So yeah, that is it. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Remember to like this video and hype it, guys. I know now YouTube has introduced what you're calling hype. So you can basically hype the video, and then it's going to give the video some points in terms of viewership, so more people can actually get to view the video. So yeah, that is it. If you're in a country that supports hyping, please go ahead and hype this video. I would really appreciate. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.